I'm Mike Hackard from Hackard Law. The most heartbreaking cases of traumatic brain injury, or TBI, often involve people who were very successful in their careers. These individuals had high-paying jobs and were used to performing at an elevated level, handling multiple responsibilities and making crucial decisions. And there are some really interesting books written by highly skilled professionals that talk about how a traumatic brain injury affected them and their loved ones. Dr. Claudia L. Osborn, a medical doctor, wrote a book called Over My Head, a doctor's own story of head injury from the inside looking out. The title gives you an idea of what she experienced. Elliott, who has a Ph.D., also wrote a fascinating book about his TBI called The Ghost in My Brain, How a Concussion Stole My Life and How the New Science of Brain Plasticity Helped Me Get It Back. These two well-written books make you think and are useful for people with TBIs and their families. I can personally relate to the challenges faced by high-functioning professionals who have experienced a TBI because I've gone through it myself. I recall asking my neurologist if he truly understood how it felt to have a brain injury. And of course, he admitted that he didn't. He also mentioned that his other patients didn't appear to have the same issues that I was facing. Furthermore, he noted that he really didn't have any other patients like me who were professionals. I explained to him that my situation was really quite different. As an attorney, I relied on my cognitive abilities every single day. Having a clear mind really wasn't a choice for me. Without the ability to think clearly, I simply couldn't perform my job. And after this unsatisfactory experience with that neurologist, I decided to seek help from a different neurologist at one of the top medical facilities in the United States. This new doctor was able to provide me with significant assistance. It became apparent that a prescribed medication was having a severe effect on my well-being. Once the medication was changed, my condition improved. Now, 3 decades later, I can look back on a fulfilling and prosperous career as a lawyer. I know that high-functioning individuals are often the glue that holds families together. When they suffer a TBI, the effects can be absolutely devastating, not only to the person, but to their entire circle. If you or someone close to you has experienced a TBI because of another person's negligence, remember, you're not alone. Call us at Hackard Law, 916-313-3030. We're here to help. Hackard Law. Remember, it's never just an accident.